Hi there. I'm going to quickly show you how you can target properties for solar rooftop installation. Within LandHawk, we have an energy performance certificate dataset for domestic properties. If I turn this one on, it will show the properties across the map and with their existing energy performance rating. Within the filters of this dataset, you can then change what shows on the map by the potential energy rating. So as you can see here, we've got a cluster of new housing, and then we've got some slightly older stuff, which is about 15 years old in this area. If you wanted to see which properties could be upgraded to potentially maybe an A rating, you simply click on the filter, click A, and it'll filter those points on the map. So you can quite easily see now which properties have the potential to go to an A rating. Now, if you look in a bit more detail, you'll see that there are a couple that are already A's. And if you go into these in this area, you can already see that they have solar rooftop installation. That means that there's great potential for these other properties in the area to be upgraded to that, and then therefore upgrading their performance certificate. So that's how you quickly identify properties within LandHawk for energy performance upgrades. Bye-bye.